previous Aldi find. Still love it. My fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another Sunday. I'm at my store. I'm gonna go in and get my week of groceries, and at the end I'll share with you my meal plan. But it's kind of fun because two different people asked me to look for things that they saw in last week's video. These are family members, friends that live really close by, and so today I get to be an Aldi wing woman. Let's see if I can find their goodies too. Right when I walk in the door, I'm greeted with these super cute popcorn tins. Adorable, and we love those tins for ornaments. We are doing meat and cheese board this week, and I'm just getting a little more crackers for my family, $1.85. Some tortilla chips. My husband requested these, $1.25 just for chips and cheese. Getting a French baguette for the meat and cheese board for my family, $1.69. Butter chicken this week, so I'm gonna make naan, and that's $3.99 for those. 85 cents for a loaf of white bread for my girls' lunches and toast. I almost always buy cilantro. We love it, 69 cents, but this is going in butter chicken this week. And then I'm also going to buy a large bag of grapes at $1.49 a pound. They feel pretty fresh, but they're dirty. Navel oranges, $3.49 for the bag. My husband and son especially love these. They slice them. Perfect addition to meals. And then I'm also going to get a head of cauliflower. I'm going to roast this with Parmesan cheese and coconut oil. Easy side for dinner, $2.29. My kids have been on a real banana kick, so I'm going to get a big bunch, which means I probably won't eat them this week. 32 cents a pound. I'm going to make salads with spinach or on wraps this week for myself on keto, $1.19. Getting a dozen eggs. We just ran out last week. $1.21 for the dozen. $2.41 for a gallon of 2% milk, and then $1.44 for a half gallon of chocolate milk. My son requested that for this week. One of my favorite pre-Christmas purchases, 6 packs of butter at $1.99 each. That's a great price. We do a lot of holiday baking, so I'm getting 6. We are going to have breakfast again this week. It's worked really well to make that for keto. I can make it keto for myself and different to the family, and I need more bacon, $4.09. I'm going to buy these in anticipation for Christmas Day. The olive tapenade and the red pepper artichoke. I don't see a price, but I'll let you guys know. I'm hoping maybe it's $1.99. I'm getting 2 cans of diced tomatoes for butter chicken. That is the main thing of the sauce, 64 cents each. Black beans to use in place of meat for my daughter, 55 cents. 89 cents for celery. I just want to have this for a hot chicken salad and to munch on. Grape tomatoes, $2.39. I want these for lunches and on our charcuterie board, so I'm going to grab 2 of them. My girls snack on these really well. Easy to add to lunches. Much to my kids' dismay, we ran out of these last week and we didn't have enough for grilled cheese. We love to put pickles on our grilled cheese, so I'm getting more, $1.89. Can't have a meat and cheese board without pickles, $1.29. Same goes for artichokes, $2.45. My husband requested cereal, so I'm going to get cinnamon balance. He really likes that, $1.65. Rice squares, just like Chex, $1.99. $2.09 for grape juice. I know people generally really like this cabinet. We have a bunch of them in gray, $79.99. Look how cute these are. $8.99 a piece. Nice soft chair pads. The casserole dish, and it does come with a lid. I didn't show that in the ad. I have a spin mop set. It's not the Aldi one, but I love it. Highly recommend. You guys, look how cute this is. My kids all have lights in their room, but I love them. And I absolutely love these baskets. Giraffe, elephant, and then just, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's like a pineapple. $25 each. Bath mats, toilet brush. Uh-oh, guys, I'm distracted. Okay, well, here goes my budget for the week because I did not plan to buy these, but I am for my son. Don't tell him. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited. So yes, I'm actually going to get 3 of these maybe. I'll probably text my husband because he's gonna think I'm crazy, but they're gonna be Christmas presents. And my son loves stuffed animals. Well, he already has Yoda, so I'll probably get these ones. He just doesn't have that small of a Yoda. But the Hulk and Spider-Man are coming with me. $9 each. And then my girls, these will be Christmas gifts, but I'm gonna get the cat because my older daughter has a bunch of the cats. And then my younger daughter is gonna get the lion. Oh, these are the finger books that I think are the best books ever. My kids are a little too old, but let me show you. You stick your finger in there and then you can be the character throughout the book. They are such good gifts for young babies. Little libraries. Here's the princesses in like normal clothes, comfy squad. We have a number of Aldi umbrellas, highly recommend. Kids love their own umbrella, $4.99 each. I don't know how many times I bought character socks here. I kind of skipped over stuff to get to the Squishamallows. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are cute. Definitely a good price for boots. They only go up to size 10 though. My big feet won't allow that. Here's the floppy hats. They're cute. They obviously don't seem like the highest quality, but for $10, what do you expect? Ice eliminator, vanity organizers, a fireproof safe. Oh, here's the ladies' wraps. Oh, it's nice and soft. It feels like a thin material, but you can't really see them well. And then the faux leather leggings. Here are the tents and the adorable rugs that come with vehicles. Okay, so I struck out on one of the things. My friend asked me to find the Hot Wheels advent calendar for her if they still have it, but look. Oh, it's just the back. She might not mind. I'll have to ask her. I'm gonna send her a text, but it's the last one they have. And it looks like the front is still intact. Oh, maybe. I think so. $25 if I get it. I'm gonna get these. This for my husband, dark chocolate orange. He and I make stockings for each other every year. He loves these, and $2.49 is such a good price for them. And I'm probably gonna get him the mint one as well. New this week, $1.45 for the Kinder Joy eggs. Another sign of Christmas, poinsettias. So many. But since I like my cats, we keep them out of our house. I'm gonna try my best to find 6 of my unflavored waters, but it might be hard because I don't see many white caps in here. I see a couple under there. I'll let you know. Well, after looking through them all, I could only find 2, so 2 it is at 57 cents a piece. In the past, we've given these to principals and bus drivers and different teachers as gifts, but I was able to find the hot chocolate snowmen a couple days ago. I'll pop a picture up here, and I was trying to get more for my mother-in-law today, but I've gone through the entire aisle, and while there's many Christmas goodies, those are all gone, and they had like 6 cases of them. Here's a Christmas bedding, super cute. It looks really soft. Lanterns, the fragrance warmers, and the wax melts. Here are the holiday scents. $1.89 a piece. And then they have a bunch of the rugs. Let it snow. Nope, don't want that on my porch. But I decided not to even get one, so there's a bunch of them if I change my mind. I need vanilla extract, $3.49. I think Thanksgiving's coming with all these turkey don't drink creamer in my coffee, but that looks really yummy. And super cute, $3.18. This is something else new, probably seasonal, but yummy. And I've never bought this one, but I've made it inspired by this. A turkey cranberry ravioli, $2.79. Provolone cheese, $1.79 for our homemade Jimmy John's subs. Cheddar for our meat and cheese board, $1.75. And then mozzarella cheese. I'm making 2 more cauliflower crust pizzas this week, $2.59. So a lot of our stuff is covered right now with them unloading, but we have these frozen pastas. They look pretty good. Salami basil pesto pizza, still the Scream the Sicilians. Lots of Cool Whip topping for the pumpkin pies, yummy. And then we have the sweet potato casserole, which I don't like sweet potato, but I'm going to a family Thanksgiving, and I'm considering buying this so that I can just have this be my side. But I don't know for sure what they want me to bring. So if it's here later this week when I know, I'm gonna come back and get it. But I've heard this is really good. Those look good to me too. The gelato flights look super cute. Pumpkin pie, eggnog, and candy cane. We have enough ice cream at home, but $3.99. I thought those looked adorable. And then these blossoms, yummy. Those look really good. And those are $2.99 a piece. And it looks like there's 1 blossom per container. I'm gonna get the breakfast blend, medium roast, $2.99. Getting 2 bags of frozen broccoli for our butter chicken. My family's gonna have it tonight, 89 cents a piece. Okay, so here's my cart. Any guesses on the total? I haven't heard from my friend, but I'm gonna buy the Hot Wheels. So I was able to find the Hot Wheels Advent. My friend did end up wanting it, which was good. Unfortunately for my mother-in-law, I didn't find any more melting snowmen, so I was half mission accomplished. But now that I've spent $138 at Aldi, let's get to see what my meal plan was for the week. Okay, now that I'm back, here's the meal plan for the week. My family's gonna have tostadas. That moved from last week's meal plan. I'm gonna make butter chicken. They'll have that 2 nights for dinner. We have rice, broccoli, naan, all of that, both nights. I'm gonna make an Alfredo sauce. We have some noodles that have been in the pantry with cauliflower. I'm going to make Jimmy John's subs with the garlic fries that I got in the Aldi Finds aisle a few weeks ago. Pancakes with the fruit sauce and bacon, and then charcuterie. And then on the keto side, I'm gonna eat charcuterie too, but I'm gonna stick with the meat, cheeses, and the olives and pickles and that kind of stuff. I won't obviously do any breads or crackers. When the family has pancakes, I'm gonna have eggs and bacon and some keto-friendly toast. I'm gonna make like a meaty pasta using healthy noodles that I found at Costco. That's the brand name. They have 0 net carbs. Hot chicken salad, I'll eat that on top of some lettuce. Pizza, I have 2 cauliflower crusts left, and this is my last week of keto, so I'm gonna make pizza twice. And then I'm gonna have butter chicken in the sauce with some cauliflower rice and some broccoli. And that is my keto meal plan. If you're interested in seeing how I make hot chicken salad, I have to modify it a bit for keto, but you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.